Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoey if you are new here, and today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing and try on, and I am so stoked for this month. Everything that I have on my face right now, my makeup, the way it's done, I used everything in this box, so I'm excited to show you guys what I got and how everything performs. But yeah, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join our family, help us grow. Also, thank you guys so much for 36K. I am so incredibly blown away. Every time we reach a new milestone, I'm just blown away by you guys. So thank you so much for helping me reach 36,000 subscribers. That's crazy. Never in my wildest dreams, guys, did I ever imagine this going this far. But thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and joining me on my journey. I am so incredibly blessed with you guys. But yeah. If you guys want to follow me on any other social media, Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, you can check the description below. All that information will be down there, so make sure you check down there. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. If you're ready to see how I got this makeup look and all the products that I got in my Boxycharm this month, then just keep watching. Okay, so the box, I actually took out like the bubble wrap stuff that was in here, but this is what it looks like this month. It comes with this card right here. It tells you the prices of everything, what everything is, so we'll talk about that later. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. So the first thing in the box is this Dr. BRANDT Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So I'm not going to use this right now, obviously, because it's a sleeping mask, so I need to try this out at night. But this stuff is kind of pricey. It's $52. Dr. BRANDT is a very expensive brand. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this works. I love anything that's hydrating. Wow. I ate a lollipop right before filming. Didn't realize it was going to turn my tongue blue. Oh well. That's going to be annoying in the videos, so sorry about that. But this is how big this guy is. It's pretty small, but I love hydrating products, so I think I'm gonna love this if it works well, but we shall see. Okay, so the next thing in the box is what we're gonna start with. It is this guy right here. I got the Billion Dollar Brows Microblade Effect Brow Pen, and I don't think it has a shade on it. Oh, it's in the shade dark. So this retails for $18, and it's one of those brow pencils that look like this. It's got like a felt tip, but it's got like 3 little prongs on it. I don't know if you can see it. I've never used a product like this, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can have a good look. Okay, so I don't think the product's bad at all. I think I need to get used to it because I've never used a product like that, so I need to get used to doing my brows with something like this. But what I do like is that it sets your brows in place, so you don't need to use a brow gel. But I'm going to clean up my brows and then we'll move on to the next product in the box. So the next couple things in the box kind of go hand in hand. There is this brush set from MODA PRO, and it is the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I was so excited to see that brushes were in the box this week. I absolutely love when we get brushes in the box, because in my opinion, you can never have too many makeup brushes. It is $27.95 for the set. It comes with a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a liner brush. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like. Their handles are like this braided kind of texture. They're really pretty. So aside from that, the next thing in the box is this guy right here. This is the VOSS Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited for this. This is the palette I actually wanted. I think there was like 3 different palettes that you could possibly get. I wanted this palette because it is so pretty and colorful, and yeah, I am obsessed. I think this is a great fall palette, and I'm excited to put this on my eyes. It does have like neutral colors in here if you want to do a more neutral look, but it also has like pops of colors in it if you want to do something a little extra. And then you could also do something pretty smoky with this. I think this is a pretty good all-around palette, and I'm excited to try it out. Like, so excited, you guys have no idea. So I'm going to do my eyes with the brushes and then with this palette and let you guys know my thoughts on it. But this palette retails for $29. Okay, so I'm all done with the eyes. I love how this look turned out. It's very, very fall. The eyeshadows performed really, really well. The mattes blended it like super easily. I didn't have to put a lot of work into them. The shimmers are so beautiful. I did use them wet, and I saw that if you use your finger, if you didn't want to use them wet, if you use your finger, they come off a lot more metallic than if you just use them dry with the brush. But I am obsessed with this gold. It is so pretty. It's the shade that I have like all over my lid. But yeah, the shadows performed really, really well. The only color that kind of gave me trouble is the dark brown right here. It's not that it gave me trouble, it just wasn't as pigmented or as like dark as I would have wanted it to be. But that being said, it's a great color that you can build up, so it's not so intense when you first put it on. But I did overall really like the palette. Very excited for this. Also, the brushes performed really, really well. Each brush did a great job at what I was using it for. I did use the angled brush just to clean up my eyeshadow, and it worked perfectly for that. Obviously, I mean, how could you mess that up? But all of the other brushes are really soft. They blended everything really nicely and easily, and I really liked all of them. Okay, so there's one more thing in the box, and that is this guy right here. This is the Hank and Henry Slick With It Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Yeah, so this is a liquid eyeliner, and it retails for $20, and it is black. It's in the shade Blickety Black. So this is a felt tip liner, and I have seen this online, and it has been throwing me off because the thing is brown. It's like with the lid, like it's brown, but the eyeliner itself is black. So I'm gonna do a wing with this and see how it goes, see how I like it. Okay, so I really like this liner. It glided on so incredibly easy, and the very tip of the pen like had just enough product to like really flick out your liner. With a lot of like felt tip liners that I've noticed is that they don't have that capability. Like the tips of them always get really dry, and you like have to like shake it up and like press on it and like really get the product out of it, and it's really frustrating. And with this, I didn't have to do that. I didn't even have to shake it, like nothing. Like it worked so well, and it's so black, and it was just really easy to use. It is a tad bit shiny. It's not like super duper matte, but I don't mind it. It's not that big of a deal to me. It's not like super duper shiny where it looks like it's like plasticky looking at all. So The liner is just really, really black, and it was just so incredibly easy to use. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised that I like this because I didn't think I was going to. I don't typically like liners like this, so this is a good find. I really like this. But yeah, that is everything in the box. I'm gonna finish up my face and then I'll come back and talk to you about everything. All right, guys, so I'm completely done with all of my makeup. I really like how this look turned out. I really enjoyed every product in the box. The only product that I thought was kind of harder to use for me, is something that I'm gonna have to get used to, is the brow pen, but I did really like it. I like the shade. The shade worked really well with my hair color. Also, it filled in my brows really nicely, and it set my brows, so I didn't have to actually go in with a gel, which is really nice. So that eliminates that step completely for me, and it was actually pretty quick and easy to use. I just have to get better about my technique with this actual pen. But other than that, I really enjoyed everything. The only thing, again, that I don't really know if I'm gonna like or not is this, and this is the Dr. Brandt sleeping mask. I think I'm gonna like it because I do have more normal to dry skin. So I really love hydrating products. So I love that you can just put this on at night and sleep with it on and wake up with really plump skin. So I'm going to try this out and see how I like it. Hopefully I like it a lot because this is my type of product. But I really liked the palette, definitely. And the brushes worked really well as well. And I was pleasantly surprised by the felt tip liner from Hank & Henry. This is bomb. I really like this. So the total for my box this month was $146.95. That is insane, and I only paid $21 a month for it. So if you want to check out Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave a link down in my description so you can check that out. And yeah, I am very happy with what I got in my box, and I love the makeup look that I came up with today. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and that is it, guys. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.